Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Wildfire here, back with another awesome video. If you enjoy the video, click the like button. If you want to see more, smash that subscribe button. Thanks. So today, guys, as you can see, we are back in our Minecraft modded survival, and as you can see, I've worked a bit on our castle. I have those. Um, Still got the strawberries over here. Another wort's been growing, corn's been growing, tomatoes have been growing. Now we have firefly plants and butterfly plants. I'm hoping this attracts butterflies and fireflies, but I don't actually know what they do, so we'll just have to see. I also worked on up here, so I have plans for this room. I also did a bit of exploring, found some waypoints. Um, this is going to be a pet room. I'm working on getting a Pokeball, basically, mod installed, or a way of capturing mobs, but if we don't get that, there are cages in Orspawn, cages, and zoo cages, but the main problem is critter cages. So we can make these. I don't know why you'd want to use that just for that, but whatever. Um, but the problem is they only work on ore spawn mobs and regular Minecraft mobs. So we can't. Girlfriend, come here. I have a weapon for you. Come here. Congratulations, Miss. She's a pirate. Um, anyway, so we can't use it on, say, mythical creatures. So we can't get a jackalope in here or, well, pretty much anything else. I also need a new emerald pickaxe. I continued. Oh, I also got a kraken. I also made our kraken repellent and a bunch of extreme torches. Now I just have to figure out how to get green goo and gathering my thoughts. My mind just blanked. What was I doing? Oh, this. Okay. Yeah. So I have a bunch of all my sticks here. 1, 2, boom, 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 boom. We don't really need this anymore, but I'll keep it just so I can wear it out. And get rid of it. So first things first, I found a bandit castle and a mantis spawner. We're gonna go to the mantis spawner first and get some spawn eggs. It's right there. Here's how you do it, guys. You go right here. You go in right here. No, wrong one. Do I have blocks? Only gold ore. Alright. And you grab everything you can. No, I did not give you permission to do that. I did not give you permission to do that. No, whatever. Alright, so what we're gonna try to do, that's not where I died, whatever. Just go in here and break it. Break it. Freaking break it. Break it. Ugh. Alright. I'm going to tunnel underground. Don't question why. No. Here we are. What? Nani? You, no. You cannot hit me from all the way up there. I do not give you permission. Stop it. You're hitting me through a wall. You're breaking the laws of physics. Or, not physics. Whatever. Let me just break this. Okay. Break that. 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 And that. Okay. What? Nani? No. You cannot hit me now. basically is get... That's not fair! No, wait. Stop it. You cheater. These guys are cheating. And I don't like it. Stinking stop! I'm just trying to save my own life here. It's right there. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. Okay. This is stupid. How am I gonna do this? Alright. This is the heist of the century, guys. Going in. No. Stop it. Don't you dare. I'm dead. I'm not dead. It's right there. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. Alright. Full health. Full health. Going in. Yeah. Everything's disappeared because... Alright, that is how you win, guys. That's how you beat mantoises. I don't want uranium. I want titanium. And unfortunately, I don't need all this tiger's eye stuff. I need titanium. I'm not gonna take... No, yeah. Because tiger's eye stuff is as good as emerald. And this just means I'm gonna have infinite emerald stuff, basically. Yes, there it is. To get rid of my potatoes, my dirt, my emerald ore. I just checked all that, I think. Alright, I'm not taking any more tiger's eye stuff. Only the stuff I need. Oh, come on. Like, that's it? All? That's all the titanium there is? Seriously? Well, whatever. This stuff's gonna break soon anyway. Alright, we're gonna head back to our base. We'll drop off all the stuff, take a rest, and go after the bandit castle next. Boom, boom. Alright, we're getting the chainsaw this time, guys. Because we have pretty much infinite mantoises. And all the uranium we could ever need. Since we're going to have 2 extra uranium, what uses uranium and not titanium? You need both of them to make anything, pretty much. Alright. We're going after the bandit castle again. It might not be a bandit castle, it might be a Viking castle or whatever. Each of these ancient warfare castles, though, have different stuff in them, which is perfect, because I need different stuff. You know? But the best thing is is now we have these thunder staves. We can go in, well, lightning blazing, if you want to call it that. I know it sounds cheesy, but still, I know it sounds weird, but it's pretty much what it is. And healing stat doesn't even work, so. Alright, to the bandit castle. Oh jeez, I didn't even mess up. Alright. Which one has use? This one has use. Alright. This is what I think of you. Oh, there's another one right there. Sweet. These are very common, apparently. This is what I think of you. This is what I think of you. This is what I think of you and your puny. Die. Die, all of you. Die. 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 Throw that away. Don't even try it. You will all fall before me. Nothing can defeat me. Not even you, fools. You fools. You'll fall before the might of me and my girlfriend. Just something I don't think anyone has ever said before. How do I get over there? Parkour! I did not fail that. You did not see anything of the sort. Ow. Nope, I will not fall. I will not fall. Kill them, girlfriend. Kill them! Kill. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Alright, fine. That is death. Ha! I'm back. I totally ruined this stinking castle. Alright. You stupid archer. You annoy me. You are not good enough to be my subject. So you must be the subject of my destruction. Die. 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 The subject of my wrath. Oh, I'll take that. I'll take all of that. And the string, because that's used for Kraken and Creeper Repellent. Alright, now. Onward and forward. We go that way. With lightning. I blasted a tiny hole. I need to destroy the entire thing. You will fall before me. All ancient warfare castles will fall before the power of my thunder staff. You will not defeat me. I am too powerful for even this world. This world is nothing. I am everything. Ra 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 ra. This is a wait. I have an axe. It is a thing. Okay. I think I killed my girlfriend. No, she's fine. She's taken like almost no damage. I think that regens after a bit, but it might not. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Oh wow, there's actually a drawbridge mechanic. Bah. Hello. From the outside. You're a girlfriend. Ugh. I need the sword. I want to collect the swords of the bandit leaders and hang them on my wall as tribute to all those that I killed. And why is my girlfriend still in a bikini? She's not even in the water. Whatever. I'll take the ingots and the stick. Zuh. These are how you get pretty much infinite sticks. Alright, I know there's still more stuff. So, we must go. We already conquered one of these. We will conquer another. Because there's still down here, I believe. Yes, 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 yes. I want one of these gates. I just don't know how to get one. I don't think you can craft one either. Yes, more thunderstaffs. Wahahahaha. And string. Yes, more amethyst, more thunderstaff. Feed me, thunderstaff. Feed me. I have so many name tags. It's not even funny. And so many buckets. Why do these people love buckets? Why do I love buckets? Because they're cool. Alright. There and there. Yes, yes. No, I don't want a saddle. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. No, yes, yes, no, 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 yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I will lock my girlfriend in that side cage. She's stuck now. Muhaha. I don't think she actually is because she can teleport, but whatever. She's magic. I am on. I am free. This is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Alright, I don't know where I need to go now. I think I need to go up, but I can't really, so I'm gonna chisel another thing out of the side of this staircase. If there's a king or queen in here, they will fall before me. Oh, no, there's a chest. Wonderful. I don't need a saddle. I want redstone and buckets and name tags. I can name so many people. I do have one anvil, actually. I should steal, like, every anvil I come across now. I don't know why. I just collect name tags because they're cool. Alright. Who next? Is my girlfriend free yet? I hope. Hope so. Oh, yes, she is. Okay. She be magic. I can't get out. I can't get out. Alright. I think there's more chests. No, there's prisoner things over here, though. Oh, there are chests. I forgot. These guys. Nope, these are all just food. Alright, I think that's it. We will go back. We will delete this. We delete this. We will delete this, because they're all just castles. And we will blow up every castle we come to now, okay? Castle base. Alright, so, what have we gotten today? We took out, what did we do today? We took out, 3 dungeons. I think. Yeah, 3 dungeons. One of them was a mantis spawner. What else did we do? We got a heck of a lot more thunderstaffs. We got a kraken. And nope, we're not done with the video yet. It's just a joke. I'm just kidding. Don't worry. Totally wasn't a mess up or anything. It's totally on purpose. It's all on purpose. So, drop off all the thunderstaffs ever want. And that and that. Alright, now I'm going to drop off the coal in here. And the torches will go up on the walls. Boom, 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 and boom, boom. Okay, now, can I get a gate or a drawbridge or a gate? This is what it looks like, negatite and positite. This is what we need. It looks exactly like gold. So we've probably walked past it in mining. Our next video is going to be on mining for positite, but, well, maybe. Alright, Mantis, go! Mantis, die! Mantis, die! Mantis, die! Mantis, die! Die, 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 die. Give me all your stuff. Give me enough to make one titanium ingot, and I'll be happy. One singular titanium ingot. You only gave me one. Is titanium rare or something and you just want to hoard it all? Because hoarding is not allowed, my friend. Hoarding is not allowed. Hoarding is not allowed. Did you hear me when I said that? Because I said it multiple times so you could hear me. Do I need to zoom in on my map or something? Because it's weirdly zoomed out. Whatever. This guy's like strangely incompetent for some reason. He's like, oh, I'm being hit. Oh, I should probably hit back. That's enough, that's enough, that's enough. We got a chainsaw, guys. We got a chainsaw, guys. We got a chainsaw, guys. We got a chainsaw, got a chainsaw. I got a chainsaw, guys. Got a chainsaw. I am happy. What else do we need to get a chainsaw? How do we make an ultimate axe? Oh, we need iron. Wonderful. I have plenty. Boom, boom. Alright, let's make the ultimate axe. So, takes this. No, that was total fire. Yoy, yoy, yoy. There, no, there, there, there. How hard is that? Seriously. How do I mess that up? Alright, boom, boom. Ultimate axe, boom. Surrounded with redstone. We have a chainsaw, 60 attack damage. Look at that. Wait a minute, hang on. How big is this? Holy, it moves. Dude, yes, it's awesome. This is so cool. Alright, let's try this out. Let's kill some lizards. Come here. Well, I mean, no, I'm down on some corn first, but second, I actually want to kill a water dragon. I have 60 attack damage. Dude, this is good. Alright, lizard, insta kill. Insta kill. What? Nani? We have infinite shrubs now. Yay, dead shrubs. Right? Nope, they're just shrubs. Okay. So that's incredible. And it took no damage from that. Dude, alright. Shrub, 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 shrub. Alright, this is great news. Hey, it does attract fireflies. Let's go. Wait, is there a jar of some kind? Jar? There is. Glass jar. Glass and a gold nugget. Glass and a gold nugget. Glass and a gold nugget. I can do that. I want a firefly in a jar. I have sand, right? Yeah, surely. Yeah, there we go. Smelt it fast. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't want him to fly away. Hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Yes, I'll take that. Okay, and now I'll make a... That's what I wanted, right? Jar. Glass jar. Glass and a gold nugget. Glass? A gold... Oh, maybe I put a uranium nugget in there. Come here. Come here, please don't have flown away. Thank you. Can I pick you up? Uh, I can't pick him up. Oh, come on. Go in. Oh, wait, what? They drop extreme torches? What? Excuse me? Well, how do I get a firefly in a jar? Can I just look up? Is it item? Is there a net? It's a nether tracker. Is there a fire? fire? You can use fire to make chain, apparently. Alright, I'm happy, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. If you want to see more, smash the subscribe button. Thanks, and bye. And bye. And bye.